Organized by Pastor Patience and Odrek Rwabogo, the Mighty Day conference brought together Christian leaders from across Uganda and beyond. The main guest speaker, Bishop Radona Osborne, delivered an inspiring message of national healing and transformation. Representing the Archbishop of the Church of Uganda was Right Reverend Nathan Himbisiwe, Bishop of South Ankole Diocese.
After 3 years, the Light Up Uganda mission has across the country to build a country with repentance and dedication.
In a symbolic and heartfelt moment, President Museveni and Mama Janet Kataha Museveni signed the Light Up Uganda for Jesus Declaration, a national commitment to serve God and to never again allow the shedding of innocent blood in Uganda. As a powerful sign of spiritual affirmation, the couple then poured anointing oil on the grounds, declaring Uganda as a land of peace, unity, and divine purpose. Pastor Patience Rwabogo expressed heartfelt gratitude to the President and First Lady for joining in the momentous occasion, commending their unwavering faith and support.
Each mission has been unique in the encounter that we have experienced with the Lord. And how He revealed Himself through His Word. But everywhere God sent us, He has brought healing, deliverance, salvation, restoration, and release.
Naye yonna gyatututte abantu balokose, abantu bawonye, abantu basonyiweganye, abantu bazziddwawo era bazziddwa bujja.
Mama Janet Museveni praised the vision behind the conference, thanking Pastor Patience for uniting religious leaders across denominations to intercede for the nation.
Thank you, Patience,
Weebale nnyo, Patience,
for your commitment and conviction towards what God has assigned to you.
olw'okwewaayo n'obumalirivu olw'ekyo Katonda kye yakutuma okukola.
And for stirring up the hearts of many people across the country and beyond.
N'okusiikula emitima gy'abantu mu ggwanga lyaffe lino n'okusukkawo.
To carry this vision with you.
Basobole okwetikka okwolesebwa kuno wamu naawe.
She expressed hope that through prayers, Uganda would experience a peaceful and orderly transition of power in the future.
Always remember
Bulijjo jjukira
that a house divided against itself cannot stand.
nti ennyumba eyeeyawuddemu yo yokka yokka tesobola kuyimirira.
Therefore, we each must make a decision
N'olwekyo ffenna tulina okukola okusalawo.
to work for the unity of our nation.
Tukole nga tukolerera obumu bw'eggwanga lyaffe.
This will take going back to honoring God
Kino nno kigenda kutwetaagisa okuddayo tusseemu Katonda ekitiibwa
and honoring each other.
naffe ffenna okwosangamu ekitiibwa.
President Museveni, in his address, acknowledged Uganda's growing freedom of worship. Reflecting on the past, he called for continued religious tolerance and praised his daughter, Pastor Patience, for being the first preacher in their family.
The churches here in Uganda,
amakanisa wanene Uganda,
and of course the Basiramu,
era
the Muslims,
abasiraamu
we are part of the problem.
nabo tubagasseeko bonna bali kitundu ku kizibu.
And I have told you many times
Era mbategeezezza emirundi egiwerako
how we did not allow chaplains in the army
engeri gy'otakkiriza be tuyita ba chaplain oba abasumba ab'amagye,
because they had no value addition to add.
kubanga tebaalina muwendo gwonna gwa kugattako.
They were part of the problem.
Baali kitundutundu ku kizibu.
So I'm very happy to hear the declaration here,
Bwekityo ndi musanyufu okuwulira okulangira mu kifo kino,
because you specifically denounce denominationism.
kubanga mu butongole mwegaanye zimanvuuli ez'enjawulo.
Indeed, the Light Up Uganda for Jesus Conference 2025 leaves behind a message of hope, unity and unwavering faith in God's plan for the country. Julius Mhomza, Church of Uganda Family TV, News at 8.